Hi my beautiful souls, this is Geeta and welcome to my channel. I will tell you why you should go through this book, and if you don't have time, it's okay, you listen to me. I will summarize this book in short. Okay, so this book is the Laws of Spirit Worlds, written by Mrs. Khurshid Bhavnagri. She was not a professional writer. She was a housewife, and she had two sons, Vispi and Ratu. So Vispi and Ratu had died in 1980 in a car accident on the same day. They were 31 years old and 30 years old respectively. So after death, they communicated with their mother indirectly. Indirectly means through the process of automatic writing. In automatic writing, this is a process in which a human body, particular human body, who communicates with a spirit body through this process, in which he or she, that is a particular human body, holds a pen on the page very lightly, and the spirit body who is being contacted, he will write it down on the page. Over time, words and then sentences will form. Okay, so Vispi and Ratu, after death, they wrote it down on the page, and Mrs. Khurshid collected all informations and wrote this book down. Okay, so it is written that we all are souls. We all are not human beings. We all are souls in a human being, and we have three bodies: human body, astral body, and spirit body. After death, we shed our physical body and physical mind, and then astral body we transform into astral body. Astral body is very light. Astral body is lighter than physical body at the time of death. Okay, and astral body looks as light as physical body at the time of death. After some time, astral body transforms into spirit body. Actually, souls and subconscious mind is transformed into spirit body. Spirit body is very light, as like a feather, and this spirit body is taken away to the spirit world with by the another spirit body, and that spirit body is always become your loved one of past life. And Vispi and Ratu told that they were greeted by their maternal grandfather, and also they told that maternal grandfather was looking very young in his spirit body, as into 25 years old. Okay, but although he had died in more than 80 years. So they explained it in this book. Okay, and about spirit world, they explained that spirit world is made up of 7 realms: realm 1 to realm 7. Realm 1 is the lowest one. It is very dark, and every realm has 10 stages, 0 to 9, and realm 1 is very dark, and their souls look very horrible, disfigured, and they crawl on the filthy. They never see even a tiny spark of light throughout their staying there. Okay, so realm 1, realm 2, and realm 3 are in dark. They are always in dark, no light is there. Realm 4 is like earth, day and night all both are there in realm 4. And realm 5 is the beginning of heaven. Realm 5, 6 and 7 all are in only in the light. Brightness are there, perfect temperature are there. Realm 7 is the most perfect, and the most perfect and most purified souls are in realm 7. Okay, so it is also written here that every soul's realm 1 0 stage to realm 7 8 stage, every soul's reincarnate on earth only because to purify themselves. Okay, to purify themselves, to pay off the karmas of past lives. So it is also written there that our karma decides our realm. If any souls come from realm 7, although he or she is very very perfect, most good soul, but if after carnation, if they sin, they may go down to the realm 5 or realm 6, and in the same level you can level up according to your karma. Okay, so my beautiful souls, please do start seeing your karma. Forget about past. Past is nothing, you cannot correct that. Okay, past is gone, past is gone. Okay, and this is also written here. I am not giving any lecture. I always tell you according to only this book. Okay, and this is also written that our karma is all our karmas, positive or negative, all are being recorded in our astral records, and for every negative karmas you will have to pay it off. So this book, mainly the main central idea of this book is that's all what I said you, what I told you. In the next video of the another part, I will tell you the rules of spirit world, the mission of reincarnation on earth, and third I will also give you the keys of positive thinking. Okay, so thank you all my beautiful souls, please do follow me in the next video. Thank you.